Okay, update. It's done.
Yeah, ready to fire.
No. All right, we got it mocked up. We put stroker plates down here in the bottom. We wound up going with the 60 and not the 43s or 40, whatever these were.
Yeah,
45s.
with a 20 thou base.
So there's a 20 thou gasket in there also. We'll stick the plates to the cylinder, goop them in, and just use a regular gasket.
Are we gonna use gasket cinch or the Yama bond?
Use the
3 bond.
The 3 bond.
Yeah. That's it.
And then the for the head gasket, we put 30 thou washers in there. So we're duplicating a 30 thou head gasket, and it's going to basically give us about 35 to 38 thou piston clearance. Then on our valve train, we mocked it up in here with the correct cam. We went 1 turn tight, or extended.
25 thou.
25 thou here times rocker ratio gives you about 33 thou. Extra lift in it, that's our clearance for our pistons. Then we rolled it through until we got it top dead center, and then you push on this, tells you how much clearance you have. So what cylinder are we in right now? Okay, we're on top dead center right now over here.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably about top dead center. So right now we got quite a bit of clearance in that one.
The piston's moving.
The piston's running away from me?
Yeah.
A lot. Still a lot. There it is. I'm holding on the piston as you go up and down, but you gotta be careful it catches the pocket when you do that.
I'm gonna go slow.
See, that caught the pocket or it caught the valve. Because the other one's working. Now we're hooked. So we have a lot more piston to valve than we do valve to valve.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see this. She's tight.
Yeah, it's when you open both valves 30 thou more than they're supposed to be, your valve to valve goes away quickly. And that's not real number. But we got a lot of valve to piston. Anyway, that's how I check them. And when you check them like this, I've never had one that actually bent the valve from lack of clearance.
Just spin it quickly. Whoosh.
I run them where they get
Smack one.
They'll leave marks, but
Yeah.
they don't bend them. You don't catch them because we know where we're at. And if you drop these down to real numbers, then the valve won't hit so bad. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and take this all apart and put together for real. But that's basically how you mock up a race motor to check it out. This one over here, I mocked up. My cylinders are on it. I did my checking of my clearance. I got 6 here, 0 on this side, 6 here, and this one was 6 on that side and 7 on this side. But I don't remember if that's sticking up or below.
Sticking up.
Because that was a while ago.
They're sticking up.
That was like yesterday. Somebody took my tools. So we're plus, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're plus. You sure? Right there, I think it's all the way up. Yeah, we're up.
Yeah.
So when I do my motor, my gasket will be closer. So if I use a 40, I'll be 30, 34. Perfect. And I'm going to use a 30 thou gasket because that's what I pulled out for it. But you know what I don't have any here right now?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I have down here?
Nothing.
No base gaskets.
You're not gonna run one?
I don't know. Should I try it?
Well, you could put a 10 thou.
I don't have a 10. Or do I?
I have 18 thou.
No, I do have 10.
No, those are 20.
I do have a 10 actually. I have all kinds of gaskets.
Or you just glue it on.
Yeah, me, I'm not above just putting the snot down there and calling it done. Where are all my gaskets? Yeah, they're floating around there somewhere. So I have a 30 head and I got a 10 and 20 on the base. But if I do a 10 on the base, it's going to be a lot. Those were 25 that were in there and 40. Yeah. That's how much I'm gaining compression. Oh, here they are. See, I got 30. And I got a 10 or a 20 for the base. So 10 and 30 makes 40. Right now I'm good at 30, I think, but I don't know, we'll see. I gotta remeasure these, see what they really are. But yeah, there's your 2 different motors. They're both Indians, but they're both Indians. They're both S&S. This one does not say Indian on it, but it's in an Indian. That one is not in an Indian, but it has Indian written on it.
Perfect.
Somewhere over here it said Indian.
At the top, on the heads.
There it is. Indian. And this one's a round cylinder motor. And this one's a Harley motor, square. There you go. Two different styles. All right, that's it for that.